Hey, this is Chris from GuitArmy, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to play a famous guitar lick that I posted on TikTok. Here's the guitar riff that you're going to be learning. If you liked or didn't like this lesson format, please let me know in a comment down below. If you would like to support this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you get notified when the next guitar riff lesson comes out. If you would like to become part of the GuitArmy community, you can head on over to my Patreon page at patreon.com/GuitArmy. You can come on over and check out all the cool different things I have to offer over there, and the link is down in the description.